In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a Facebook page. So first, you wanna go to the top right and click on these three lines. And here, as you can see, I have this Facebook page and I want to delete it. So first I will click on this down arrow and I will go to that Facebook page. It's called food523637. So I'll just click on it. And now I am in that Facebook page. Now I will go to and click on this profile. I'll just click on this profile settings, and then I will click on the top right gear settings. Then I will go all the way down until I see your information. Here I will see access and control. Click access and control, and then click delete page, and then continue. Then you want to click continue, and then continue, and then enter your password. I'm just gonna pause the video here. Okay, I wrote my password. I'm gonna click continue, and then delete page. And just wait a few seconds, and right here you go. If you go back to these settings, profile settings, you'll notice that you have deleted your page, so you no longer have a Facebook page. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.